So wood handling, we have around 5 disc chippers, and we are going to add one more chipping line from Valmet. Why we have selected the disc chippers is the chip quality, the better chip quality, because the digester and cooking, it is mostly dependent on chip quality. And one thing is, in India we use many raw material. It is not a homogeneous raw material. We use multi-species with different sizes, which is a very big challenge for any chipping line to deliver the chip quality. So we could able to overcome that variability also with these chippers. So we are happy about the performance of all these chippers. We selected the screens in such a way that the chips quality will come the maximum. Almost we are getting now 88 to 90%, which is a world best chipping quality. So this is the reason we selected this Valmet technology for disc chipper technology. So all the chipping lines are performing well.